come up here. This first one here is Hulk. This one here is Captain America. This one here is Iron Man, and this one's Ginger. And if you got any questions when you're done seeing the puppies, I'll be right over here, and I got some pictures for sale as well. Thank you guys very much.
Thank you very much, Ryan. So we've got the 3 puppies over here, and we will rotate them. There'll be a rest area over here. But enjoy your time with the puppies this afternoon. Can we get one more round of applause for Ryan Reddington? My name's Anna, the crew staff will look after you, and also our dancers. Enjoy your time.
Sorry? She's from a different litter.
Can this be the way of the tribute package?
Do you know I'm trying? Yeah, no, look, I've tried to. She's so cute. So when she first came, they were about 4 weeks, and they were just sleepy and tired, and now look at this, trouble. Trouble with it.
She's so calm.
Oh.
I want to go. I want to go. I want to go. How cute are you?
She's had so much to eat. What do you do now? Did you get to touch them? What one is this? Show me your paws. Yeah. He goes, sorry. Clean.
My couch would be gone by now.